So in this video, we will see how to install a Laravel project into cPanel. So first time you need to log into your cPanel, and your cPanel almost look like this interface. And let's say let check the main domain where I will install this script. This is my domain, and this is now it has now no script installed, so that so this is showing 4034 forbidden, and we will install the script over here. And for that we already logged into our cPanel area, and in this file manager option we will go to the file manager, and we will go to the public HTML, public HTML. So we will enter public HTML, and we already keep our installable script file into a zip folder. We keep it on our local PC, and we will upload this script, this zip folder in this public HTML folder here. So for that we will click the upload icon, and we will select the desired folder, zip folder. So we will go to the downloads area, and this is our zip folder. So we will select and open it. So it will upload 100%. So we need to wait until it will turn into 100%. So this is 15 and 60%. We are just waiting for be 100%. So for that we just need a moment for that. So it about complete the uploading. So this is done, and we will go back to the public HTML as well, and here we will see the uploaded folder, and we need to struct it here in this area. So we will click the right button of the mouse, and we will select the struct option, and this is the public HTML. We no need to change the directory, and we will click the struct file here. So it will take also some seconds to extract the files. So the structuring is complete, and we will close the pop-up area, and this is our script is stuck here. So we need some internal configuration action for that further. So we will go to the cPanel for database connection. So first we need to make a database. We need to make a database in manage my database area, and we'll click the manage my database area, and we will create a database. Let's say this database name will like this word underscore the name I will provide here. So let's say we will provide our database. Let's say we will we will enter the ecom ecom gb ecom db name, and create database. Then it will create a new database name Shohag underscore ecom underscore db, and and here in this area we need to add a new user for this database. So we will enter the username here, ecom underscore user, and we will enter a password for this particular user. So we can use this password generation password generator area for that. here we have we get a password for it. So we just need to copy this password and click I have copied this password in a safe place. Use this password. So then create a password. So we need to keep this password for further use. So we need to add a notepad and we will just keep this password over here. Yeah, and we will go to the go back area, and here we need to add user to database. So our user is Sohag Ecom user, and database is Sohag Ecom DB. So we need to add the database with this user and click add. And here all the all privilege we need to select. And if we click over here, the all privilege select, and we just enter make change. So the database and the user internally connected with these options. So we need to keep the user and the database name for further user. So we also keep this username and the database name over here. So our database creation and the connect database to the user is done. So we need to go to the PHP MyAdmin area for checking the database in the database area. So for this we need to go to PHP MyAdmin area, and here we will see our created database. Though our created database name was Sohag Ecom DB, so we will enter this DB area, and this is empty database. So we need to import our particular database related to this script. For that, we need to keep the SQL file already in our local PC, and we will need this this is SQL file in this area. For that, we after selecting this database, and here we will have the import area. So we click the import area, and here we will have the option to select the database. So we will browse the database. So this is e-commerce project we will uploading the and with the e-commerce SQL we already kept in the our local area. So we will select this e-commerce and e-commerce SQL file and open. So this is selected, and we just enter the import button. So this will also take a while, and it is completed the importing. So this action is done over here, and we will now set up this database with our script. For that, we will need to go to the public folder where we just installed our project. And here in this steps, if we check our domain, and if we, then what we will see, if we refresh this area, and we will see a 500 server error because of our installation is not yet successfully completed. So here is some things still left. So in this env file, we will connect our database what we created some moment ago. So for that, we will need edit the env file, and here is the editing options. In this area, we will need to put our database name, database username, and the password what we created some moment ago. And this is this is the user and this is the database and this is the password for this script. And we just copy this password, and we just copy this password and put it over here. And we just copy this user name and put it the user area. And we will just copy this database name, and we will keep this database name here. So this is the complete setup. And if we reload this area, we will see the e-commit is not fully loaded. It shows 404. And if we want to remove this 404 page, we will need uh, do a things for that. If we check, this is our domain, shohag.creative.dev.com. We just copy this domain name, and we will enter the website host in this env file, where we put the database user and the password. And here we will see a website host area, and we will place the domain without https word, just to make this remember. We just put the only the namespace suhag.creativedev.com. So we will save this env file, and we will check the website. So here we can see the website is loading without any problem. So this is our complete setup. The setup is fully completed. So this is done cPanel installation. So this is how you can install a Laravel project into the cPanel step by step, including PHP, creating PHP MySQL database, and also creating a database user and the internal database connection with the user, and importing of SQL file for this script overall. So I hope this will help you to install a Laravel project into the cPanel. So thank you for this patience. Thank you.